Hello, my name is Toby Paik, and today we're going to be unboxing some essential gears that I've bought for my streaming channel for gaming. Yes, I do enjoy playing some games after a long day at work, come back home, stretch my legs, and aimlessly, meaninglessly waste an hour or two before bed playing some video games. I just thought I may as well share my video gaming experience with many other people so that they also can watch me playing games meaninglessly and aimlessly, so that we can all waste our valuable times together. First thing that I've bought here is a web camera, because obviously everyone wants to see my rich and dynamic facial expressions while I play the video games. Pretty essential stuff. This is the Logitech C920 HD webcam. I know there are more advanced, more newer models out there by Logitech and other brands which are more expensive, which are more high quality, but I just thought this is enough because my face isn't all that interesting, honestly. This is secondhand. I bought this from eBay, won the auction, so bought this for a little over $40. Not a bad investment, I think. It's still in the box. I hope the camera's in there because I haven't opened this up yet. Oh, there we go. The camera. It still has all the cables and the plastic sealed. And it looks like it's just like an open box, mint condition type thing. I'm not even sure if the previous owner turned this on at all. Not a bad buy for mid $40 purchase. Next up, a microphone. This is the Yeti all blacked out microphone edition by Blue. I'm still recovering. This is the Assassin's Creed Odyssey bundle. Bought this new from Amazon. The thing that's confusing me is there was just the Yeti blackout version without the game bundle, but that was more expensive than the Assassin's Creed Odyssey game bundle. So I got an extra game with the microphone, and yet it's cheaper than the microphone itself on Amazon, if that makes sense. So I don't know what that's about. Yeah, I bought the microphone new because I was thinking about getting it secondhand from eBay, like the webcam, but I have a Rode NT1 mic that I've purchased secondhand, a bunch of other condenser microphones that I've purchased secondhand before, and they sometimes have problems. Usually they kind of smell, which is kind of gross. So I just didn't really want to deal with that issue. So I just went ahead and got a brand new one from Amazon because it's not really that expensive, to be honest. I mean, it's not like $300+ or anything like that. So yeah, just thought I'd get a brand new one. Pretty excited for this. Pretty excited to play the Assassin's Creed game as well. It's like a birthday cake or something. I just decided to go with a USB microphone because I know I have an audio interface and I have a Rode NT1 mic, so I could plug that in as an XLR, which gives more control, a bit more warmer, better sound quality overall, but I've been told that you really need to tweak it and adjust it to really make the most out of that. So, and I don't have time for that. I'm too lazy to do that. I mean, I bought a pre-built Alienware desktop, for God's sakes, so really don't have patience to tweak that. And I heard there's really not that much of a difference sound-wise. I mean, the viewers won't really tell the difference when I'm playing GTA, and no one's gonna be like, oh no, you're using a Blue Yeti mic, aren't you, you little piece of shit. I knew it. I could tell by the frequency it doesn't have the warmth as an XLR condenser mic like your Rode NT1. You motherfucker, you cheapskate. You know, no one's really gonna do that. If anything, no one's gonna be watching my videos anyway, so I just went ahead and got the USB mic. Oddly enough, all my studio equipment is slowly becoming blacked out. I mean, starting from my studio desk, it's black. The camera I'm recording with is black, the monitor's black. The chair's black, even the Alienware desktop that I've recently bought is black. Color coordination is key, my friend. Color coordination is the key to success. There we go. This is upside down, obviously, but there we go. Looks nice. And it's fairly heavy too. It's got a weight to it. It's got a nice, includes a little, nice little snacks in case you get hungry during this video. It's like a little slot here, so you can attach it to your mic stand, USB slot, and then a headphone jack here. Oh, I didn't know there was a headphone jack on the microphone, but okay, there we go, headphone jack. You use it like that, like a broadcaster, like a podcast person, or I can have like a mic stand, which would be great. So, which is exactly why I bought a microphone stand. This is an InnoGear microphone stand. Bought this new from Amazon for less than $15, I think. Yeah, really cheap. Had great reviews, 4 stars and up, I believe. And yeah, it just looked like a decent, cheap, sturdy microphone stand. So there we go. Gonna attach it to this. Happy, unhappy. We are just very glad to know that you are happy. Why would they assume my emotion? Why would they assume that I'm happy right now? We appreciate your time and support and hope you will shop with us again. Alright. Oh, look at that. They have the Blue Yeti mic as an example. Yeah, really interesting stuff that I would love to read thoroughly later on. So let me just set this up and I'll show you what happened. Okay, so I'm testing this with my iPhone right now. So pretty much set up everything that I've bought earlier. The mic here, the stand goes here. I haven't plugged in anything yet. This is gonna go through my desktop and I'm gonna test it out later. Got the webcam here on this little tripod that I have. For now, it might change, it might go on my monitor or somewhere else, but for now, it's here. So it's looking pretty good. Apart from that, I need to clean my desk a little bit, but there we go. Well, thanks for watching. If you've made it this far, then you may as well click that like button and subscribe, because, what else are you gonna do at this point?